Ever wonder how preppers fill those massive pantries without breaking the bank and still manage to keep them stocked year-round? Today we're revealing the real places they buy the cheapest survival food and the clever strategies they use to save even more. Forget overpriced survival kits. These are 12 budget foods preppers quietly stockpile, and exactly where they get them for the lowest prices, often unnoticed by others. Get ready to take notes. Number 11 will surprise you and might just change your prepping game. When it comes to building a reliable emergency food supply, there's one staple that stands above the rest: rice. For preppers, rice isn't just a side dish, it's the backbone of their entire pantry. It's the food that can keep you going when times get tough, and it's the first thing many people reach for when they start prepping for the unknown. Rice is incredibly affordable, packed with calories, and if you store it properly, it can last for decades without losing its quality. That's why it's often called the king of calories. A single 50-pound bag can provide over 80,000 calories, making it one of the most efficient foods for long-term storage. But here's the secret. Serious preppers don't waste time with those tiny 2-pound grocery bags. Instead, they go straight for the big bags, the kind you need both hands to carry. Buying in bulk isn't just about saving money, it's about making sure you have enough to last through any emergency. The best deals are often found at ethnic markets or warehouse clubs, where you can pick up 25 or even 50-pound bags for a fraction of the price you'd pay at a regular supermarket. These places are a gold mine for anyone looking to stock up without breaking the bank. Once you get your rice home, the real magic happens. Transfer it into food-grade buckets, add oxygen absorbers to keep it fresh, and seal everything up tight with a Gamma Seal lid. This simple process protects your rice from moisture, pests, and spoilage, ensuring it stays edible for years, sometimes even decades. With your rice safely stored, you've turned a cheap, everyday food into a priceless asset. It's not just about having food on hand, it's about peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. So next time you're shopping, skip the small bags and go big. Buy in bulk, store it smart, and watch your savings and your food security grow. That's how preppers build a real foundation for their food supply, one bag of rice at a time. Next up, dried beans. These humble little legumes are a true staple in any prepper's pantry, and for good reason. Beans are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them a nutritional powerhouse that can keep you fueled and satisfied for days on end. They're also incredibly versatile, fitting into countless recipes from soups and stews to salads and even baked goods. Combine them with rice for a complete protein. This classic pairing isn't just delicious, it's also a smart way to get all the essential amino acids your body needs, especially if you're relying on plant-based foods. Together, beans and rice form a nutritional duo that's hard to beat, providing energy, protein, and staying power. Preppers skip the 1-pound bags and buy 25-pound sacks from restaurant supply stores or bulk food co-ops. Buying in bulk not only saves money, but also ensures you have a long-lasting supply on hand for emergencies or everyday meals. These big bags are perfect for families or anyone looking to stock up efficiently. These places sell beans for pennies per serving. When you buy in bulk, the cost per meal drops dramatically, making it one of the most budget-friendly protein sources out there. It's a smart move for anyone looking to stretch their food dollars further. Bring your own containers, fill up, and you've got a massive protein supply for cheap. Not only does this cut down on packaging waste, but it also lets you control exactly how much you buy. It's a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Forget canned meat. This is how you stock up on protein without overspending. Dried beans last for years when stored properly, and they're far more affordable than most animal-based protein options. Plus, you avoid the extra sodium and preservatives found in many canned meats. Restaurant supply stores and bulk bins are the secret. These hidden gems offer unbeatable prices and selection, making it easy to build up your food reserves without breaking the bank. Don't overlook them when planning your next shopping trip. Buy big, store smart, and your pantry will thank you. Use airtight containers to keep your beans fresh for months or even years, and rotate your stock to ensure nothing goes to waste. With a little planning, you'll always have a reliable protein source ready to go. Beans and rice, the classic prepper combo. Simple, nutritious, and endlessly adaptable. This duo is the backbone of any well-stocked pantry. When it comes to affordable, long-lasting protein, nothing beats the power of beans. Oats are a prepper's breakfast secret. Cheap, filling, and long-lasting. Skip the instant packets. Buy rolled oats in bulk from discount stores like Aldi or Lidl. For even bigger savings, order 25 or 50-pound bags online from sites like Azure Standard. Oats last decades if stored dry and cool. They're versatile, used for breakfast, baking, or as a meal filler. Group buys online can cut costs even more. Oats, the ultimate survival breakfast. Pasta is pure energy, a timeless comfort food that has been loved by generations around the world. Whether it's a steaming bowl of spaghetti or a plate of penne with rich tomato sauce, pasta brings warmth and satisfaction to any meal. It's not just delicious, it's also incredibly practical for anyone looking to build a reliable food supply. One of the best things about pasta is how well it stores. Kept dry and sealed, it can last for years in your pantry, making it a staple for preppers and families alike. It's lightweight, easy to stack, and doesn't require refrigeration. But if you're serious about stretching your dollar, you'll want to skip the regular grocery aisle, where prices can be higher and deals are rare. Instead, head to dollar stores, where you can often find boxes or bags of pasta for just $1. These stores are a goldmine for budget-conscious shoppers and preppers looking to maximize their food storage. Don't overlook the clearance aisles either. They're often packed with discounted pasta, sometimes just because of a packaging change or an upcoming Best By date. When you spot a great deal, don't hesitate to buy in bulk. Pasta is one of those foods you can never have too much of, especially when you're preparing for the unexpected. Don't just grab one box. Think ahead. Stocking up now means you'll be ready for anything, from a busy weeknight to a long-term emergency. If the price is right, clear the shelf. You'll thank yourself later when you have a pantry full of options and peace of mind. Pasta is easy to cook, kid-friendly, and a real morale booster during tough times. It's a meal that brings people together and lifts spirits. Remember, dollar stores and clearance racks are your best friends when it comes to building a food stash on a budget. Stock up when prices drop, and you'll always have a comforting, filling meal on hand. That's the prepper way. Smart, resourceful, and always prepared. Canned vegetables are instant nutrition. No garden required. Don't buy one can at a time. Buy cases from warehouse clubs for the best price. Local canneries sometimes sell scratch and dent cases for huge discounts. The food inside is perfectly good, just minor cosmetic flaws. Think in cases, not cans, to build your supply fast. Warehouse clubs and canneries are the secret sources. Stock up on variety for balanced nutrition. Canned veggies, your instant garden. Peanut butter is a survival superfood. Calories, protein, and no cooking needed. Name brands are pricey, but store brands at Walmart, Target, or Kroger are just as good for less. Watch for sales on large jars and buy in bulk. Preppers fill carts, not baskets, when the price is right. Rotate your stock. Eat the oldest jars first. Peanut butter is a morale booster and energy source. Store brands and sales are the secret. Stock up and stay fueled. Powdered milk is a prepper's answer to dairy shortages. Non-fat powdered milk lasts over 20 years if stored right. Skip the small boxes. Buy in bulk from online suppliers or LDS stores. Prepping forums often share deals and organize group buys. Use it for drinking, cooking, or baking. Powdered milk adds nutrition and comfort to your pantry. Bulk online buys are the prepper secret. Lentils cook fast, need no soaking, and are incredibly convenient for busy days. Plus, they're packed with protein and essential nutrients. International markets, especially Middle Eastern or Indian, sell big bags for cheap, saving you money. Lentils are perfect for hearty soups, stews, and even salads. They're filling, nutritious, and save fuel with their quick cooking time. Skip the small bags at regular stores to avoid overpaying. Buy bulk at ethnic markets for the best deal. Lentils, nature's quick cook, budget-friendly protein. Canned tuna is ready-to-eat protein. No cooking, no fuss. Name brands are expensive, so preppers watch for sales at discount grocers and drugstores. When tuna drops to $1 a can or less, that's the time to buy big. Don't buy 5 cans. Buy 50 if you can. Set a buy price and stick to it. Patience and vigilance pay off with a stocked pantry. Tuna is versatile and shelf-stable. Sale hunting is the prepper's secret weapon. Salt is essential for survival, nutrition, preservation, and more. Don't buy tiny containers. Get 50-pound bags from feed or farm supply stores. Make sure it's pure salt, no additives. It's cheap, stores forever, and has countless uses. Salt preserves food and keeps your body running. Feed stores are the secret source. Stock up, you can never have too much salt. Flour goes bad fast, but wheat berries last 30 years or more. Preppers buy wheat berries in bulk from local mills or farm co-ops. Grind them as needed for fresh, nutritious flour. This is how you guarantee bread for decades. Search online for local producers or join group buys. Wheat berries are the ultimate long-term staple. Bread for life, straight from the source. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found edible honey thousands of years old. It's a sweetener, energy source, and natural medicine. Skip the grocery store bears. Buy raw, unfiltered honey from local beekeepers. Farmers markets and roadside stands offer the best deals and quality. Local honey supports your community and lasts forever. It's a morale booster and survival essential. Honey, nature's perfect prepper food. There you have it, 12 cheap survival foods and the secret places preppers buy them. Start small. Grab extra pasta at the dollar store or a big jar of peanut butter at Walmart. Consistency builds security. Every item adds up. Share your own tips in the comments to help others. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more prepping secrets. Stay safe and start stacking. Your prepping journey starts now.